Hi there and welcome! Did you know that nearly 70 million people worldwide are making money online? That's more than the entire population of the United Kingdom. Quite surprising, right? We're living in a digital revolution, a revolution that has opened up new avenues for income generation. From selling handmade crafts and digital products to offering professional services, the digital world is brimming with opportunities for everyone. It's a new kind of gold rush, but instead of pickaxes and pans, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. The digital landscape is vast and varied, with countless ways to earn money. It's a place where creativity, innovation, and determination can turn dreams into reality. It's a world where you can be your own boss, set your own hours, and decide your own fate. With the current state of the economy, many businesses ending working from home and bringing employees back to the office or going through layoffs, it's become almost a necessity to have additional streams of income. So, are you ready to join the digital gold rush and start making money online? Stay tuned for 5 game-changing ways to earn money online in 2024. First up is the digital marketplace. You might be surprised how easy it is to turn your hobby into a cash cow. The internet is filled with platforms that can help you monetize your skills and passions. Let's dive in. Sites like Etsy are perfect for those with a knack for crafting unique handmade items as well as digital products. Whether it's jewelry, clothing, home decor, creating designs for print on demand, or various types of digital products such as templates, planners, or ebooks, there's a global audience waiting to purchase your creations. The beauty of Etsy is that it's an open door to a world of potential customers, all from the comfort of your home. But what if you're more service-oriented? No worries, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have got you covered. If you're a graphic designer, a writer, a voiceover artist, or even a virtual assistant, one of these could be your stage. They're marketplaces that connect freelancers with clients who need their services. The flexibility of working on your own terms is a major plus. And let's not forget eBay. Got something to sell? eBay remains a tried and true platform for selling everything from collectibles to electronics and everything in between. It's like having your own online garage sale, but on a global scale. In the digital marketplace, your earning potential is only limited by your creativity and dedication. So, whether you're handcrafting beautiful pieces of art, creative digital designs, or selling services online, there's a platform out there that's just right for you. Our second method is content creation. Ever heard of the term "content is king"? Well, it's true. In the digital age, content creation is a powerful tool that can be used to share knowledge, inspire, entertain, and yes, earn money. Consider the different forms of content creation. Blogging, for instance, is a fantastic way to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise with the world. Whether you're passionate about travel, cooking, technology, or just about anything else under the sun, there's an audience out there eager to take in what you have to say. Through advertising and sponsored posts, blogging can become a profitable venture. Then there's vlogging, which is essentially blogging in video form. If you're more comfortable in front of a camera, this may be the route for you. Platforms like YouTube provide a home for vloggers to share their content and earn revenue through ad views and sponsorships. Podcasting is another popular form of content creation. It's like hosting your own radio show, but on the internet. Topics can range from business and finance to comedy and storytelling. And with podcast advertising on the rise, it's a great way to generate income. And let's not forget about online courses. If you have a skill or knowledge that others want to learn, why not package it into an online course? It's a win-win. You get to share your expertise and your students get to learn something new. But how do you make money with content creation? It's all about advertising and sponsorship. Companies are always on the lookout for influential content creators to partner with. If your content aligns with their brand, they may be willing to pay you to promote their products or services. Remember, content creation is not about overnight success. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. But the rewards can be great. You get to do what you love, share your passion with the world, and make money in the process. With content creation, the world is your audience and the internet is your stage. Third on our list is the investment game. Ever considered investing in stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies? The digital age has made it easier than ever to dip your toes into the exciting world of investment. With just a few clicks, you can buy and sell assets from the comfort of your own home. There's a plethora of online trading platforms out there, each offering a unique blend of features and tools to help you navigate the financial markets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete novice, there's a platform out there that's just right for you. Robo-advisors are another intriguing option. These automated investment services use complex algorithms to construct and manage your portfolio, taking a lot of the guesswork out of investing. It's like having your own personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. But let's not sugarcoat it. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a solid understanding of financial literacy. You need to be aware of the risks involved and have strategies in place to manage them. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose, and always do your homework before diving in. With online investments, the risks may be high, but so are the potential returns. If you play your cards right, you could be on your way to building a substantial nest egg for the future. We already touched on this a bit when discussing digital marketing. Fourth on our list is freelancing. Got a skill? You can freelance it. In the era of the internet, your talents are no longer confined to your immediate surroundings. The world is your oyster, and the internet is your marketplace. And as previously mentioned, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have revolutionized the way we think about work and have given birth to a new global labor force. So, what exactly can you freelance? Well, the answer is almost anything. If you're a wordsmith, there are countless businesses in need of writers to create content, craft press releases, or even ghostwrite their next bestseller. If you have an eye for design, you can lend your skills to companies seeking logos, infographics, or website layouts. And if you're a tech whiz, you can offer your expertise in programming, app development, or IT consulting. The possibilities are as diverse as the skills you possess, but the beauty of freelancing extends beyond the variety of jobs. It's about freedom, the freedom to work when you want, where you want, and for whom you want. It's about being your own boss, setting your own rates, and choosing your own projects. And perhaps most importantly, it's about doing what you love and getting paid for it. Freelancing offers the freedom to work on your own terms and the satisfaction of doing what you love. Last but not least is affiliate marketing. It's all about earning a commission by promoting other people's products. Picture this. You're the connector, the bridge between the product and the consumer. You're not creating the product, you're not storing it, you're not even shipping it. All you're doing is recommending it, and for that, you get paid. Let's dive a little deeper. There are affiliate marketing programs everywhere, but two of the big players are Amazon Associates and ClickBank. They offer a vast array of products, from books to beauty products, fitness equipment to digital products. And the best part? You get to choose what you want to promote. Yep, you heard right. You're not stuck promoting products you don't believe in. Instead, you can choose products that align with your interests, your values, and your audience. It's all about authenticity. Now, let's talk money. The potential earnings can be substantial. Of course, like anything, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, strategy, and persistence. But once you've laid the groundwork, the passive income potential is real. Imagine earning money while you're out hiking, or reading a book, or even sleeping. It's not just a dream. It's a reality for many affiliate marketers. With affiliate marketing, you can earn money while you sleep. Now, who wouldn't want that? So there you have it, 5 game-changing ways to earn money online in 2024. We've journeyed together through the digital gold rush, explored the vast marketplace that the internet offers, and discovered the power of content creation. We've unveiled the potential of online investments and the thriving freelance revolution. We've even dipped our toes into the lucrative world of affiliate marketing. Each of these methods provides unique opportunities, and the beauty is that you can choose what suits you best. Earning money online is no longer a mere dream. It is a reality for millions of people worldwide, and you can be one of them. The key is to start now. Explore these options, find your niche, and make your mark. The digital revolution is here, and it's time for you to join in. Start earning money online today and build your digital future.